Hello, my name is Dr. Taufik Bora and I am an oral and maxillofacial surgeon practicing in Mumbai. Today I come in front of you to talk about road traffic accident and facial trauma. Facial trauma nowadays is because of high speed vehicles, the lack of wear of helmets has become really common. So facial trauma till date is conventionally treated with open surgeries. Open reduction and internal fixation is what is the technical name for these form of surgery. However, nowadays with recent advances, we also have endoscopic trauma surgeries available. Now, when you talk about endoscopic trauma surgeries, you are looking essentially at orbital fractures involving the eye, the socket of the eye. You are looking at mandibular fractures. You are looking at condylar fractures. Condylar fractures are high-stake fractures which involve fracture of the bone that is forming the joint over here. And in fact, I would like to discuss a recent case that we did. This patient had a fall on the chin and landed up with a right side condylar fracture. In essence, normally if you go to see a maxillofacial surgeon would deal with these fractures in a conventional manner where he would either take an incision over here or would take an incision over here, expose the fracture and put a mini plate over there. However, in this particular patient, with the recent advances, with the help of endoscopes and with the help of angled instruments, we were able to deal with this same fracture from inside the mouth. Now, how is that relevant over here and why am I giving it so much importance? It is relevant over here because when you take an incision extraorally, that is in the neck or on the face, what happens is that you are looking at a scenario where you are going to encounter a nerve which is called as a facial nerve. When you go and deal with these fractures from inside the mouth, you are practically bypassing the facial nerve. And that is the real essence of these endoscopic surgeries. They are less invasive and more function oriented. They are less invasive and more result oriented surgeries. We nowadays have instruments that are even capable of screwing a screw inside the bone at a 90-degree angle. Now, this is actually groundbreaking. But yes, it is not only applicable in adult patients, but is groundbreaking in pediatric population. If you go to see today, if a small child, say for 3 to 4 years, has had a fall on the face and is landed up with condylar fractures, what is the rule today? I mean, I would not say it's a rule, but what is the way of treating for these small babies? Most of times you have to wait it out. Why wait it out? Because the baby is too young to perform an extraoral surgery, and you would wait till the baby becomes an adult or crosses the growth phase, and then probably the baby is ended up with facial asymmetry. And now you would go and you would deal with the facial asymmetry and the mal-united condylar bone. But what if during that fall, somebody was able to deal with that fracture intraorally using scopes, minimally invasive surgery? That is actually what these surgeries provide. And that is what actually I am here to talk about. So, trauma, in essence, is dealt in conservative manner. It can be dealt extraorally. But here we are looking at a scenario where you can use small scopes, endoscopes, to deal with such fractures. Let it be orbital fractures, sinus fractures, maxillary fractures, mandibular fractures. Endoscopic or minimally invasive surgery is the way to go ahead for facial trauma. And nowadays it is also available in India. If you know somebody who requires these kind of surgeries or somebody who has met with a road traffic accident and has facial trauma, you please feel free to contact us, or you can contact me at my private email and I would be more than happy to help you. Thank you.